What's poppin'? It's your girl Kayla Audette, and I'm back with another video. So today is going to be the first time I ever do a natural hair tutorial, and I'm gonna be doing some more natural hair tutorials coming soon. But today, yes, by that title, your girl is gonna try the wet look that everybody's doing on YouTube right now. Since we're quarantined and I don't have nothing to do and I need to get my YouTube back popping, I'm gonna start doing some natural hair videos or whatever. But like I said, today I'm gonna be focusing on that wet look tutorial, and we're gonna see how it comes out, because I done bought all these products and that was not cheap, baby. The only thing that was cheap was this cream. I mean, not this cream, this gel. That was the only thing that was cheap. This was like $2 or something like that. And I just realized that kind of got the wrong one, but it's gonna be all right, because I was supposed to get the wet line. I also picked up a brush because I be seeing a lot of people use this and I want to make it seem like I know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna use this type of brush so I can see how it looks, because I think it's one of them dimming, if I'm saying the right, wrong, whatever. It's one of those type brushes by Cantune. I also got some Cantune, let me do like the YouTubers be doing. Some Cantune curling mousse. I needed that. So I'm gonna just be putting water and gel in my hair for this look today. Hopefully it turns out all right, because the gel that I use, the products that I use is Aunt Jackie's, because Aunt Jackie's be having my hair look like who? All right, so I'm about to take my ponytail down that I done had for 2 days, and if my scrunchie pop, don't act like y'all don't have those problems, because I'm surprised that this scrunchie held onto this hair, and I feel like it's gonna pop. Okay, so this is how my hair looks as of right now. And another thing that I want to do, I want to figure out what type hair that I have. Don't mind my gray hair. I have a lot of gray hair, and y'all probably gonna be seeing that a lot. Why I have gray hair, how do I don't know, but take these down. And I lost my clips, so I'm gonna have to be using like 20 scrunchies. And I see when everybody do this wet look, they do a part down the middle. I think I'm gonna do the part down the middle, but I've been contemplating and I did not want to do the part down the middle, but I'm gonna do the part down the middle because that's what everybody do. And I don't think a side part would look cute with this. I'm gonna just do down the middle. But my forehead's so big, that's why I don't like middle parts. I love my side part. My side part be so cute. But okay, so let me stop talking. Should I? I'm gonna spray it and then I'm gonna section it off. Get some water going. Y'all know natural people use a lot of water. And yes, this is my little spray bottle. It's not nothing fancy. Get them edges wet. So I'm gonna section my hair. I think I should do small sections, and then I'm gonna do a part when I get up to the top, because I got so much hair. My hair is so thick. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna spray some more water, because I should have probably put some detangling in here, because it's a little tangled at the end. But this is how my hair, let me stand up. This is how my hair looks with water on it. I'm gonna brush it. I'm gonna take sections and brush it because it's a little tangled. So since this brushed out, since this all brushed out, so I just seen people on YouTube just put like spray gel. Some people probably put some conditioning on it, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm about to just wash this right out. So I'm not gonna worry about putting no conditioner or nothing or no moisturizer on it. So let's get this gel here. Smack it. I see a lot of people be using a lot of gel, and some people just use enough. But let's see what they do this to you, girl. Let's see. That's a looks of it. We may be getting somewhere. So this is my first time ever trying to do any natural look besides a twist out on myself. Okay, I be seeing them brush the roots part down. I guess just to hold it. What the? Probably got to put some. Oh! I'm about to forget the most important part. I forgot to put the phone. Girl, you bought this. You better use this. Let's see what this do. You bought this. You better use it. You bought it. Let's see. Oh! Girl, you can't tell me I ain't off Baywatch. That spider just wanted to pop right into my video. Okay. See, as y'all already see, my junk just, it already just snap up and curl. It don't stay long for long. Like, it don't stay long. But That's alright. Shrinkage is real over here. So that's how the back turned out. Let's see how the, I mean, it look wet, look, but at the same time, it's drying up so fast. It's not staying long, it's like, it's defining my curls for real. But it's still wet. Let me see. And if I'm looking under my camera, it's because my mirror is behind the camera. Let's add some more. Let's see. It's giving me wet vibes now. It's giving me wet vibes. It just don't want the wet vibes stay mad to my head. Okay, so far, it's giving me wet vibes, but not wet vibes to the head. can't find my comb, so I'm gonna use this pick. Look in the mirror. If my part is crooked, don't judge me. That should be my middle part. Yeah, that's about right. I feel like I need some oil in the middle of my head. No, I can just put some water. Put some water right now. This is the last portion. And after this, I'm gonna just continue to mold it down. And we're gonna see the final look, finally. And that would be my look. Okay, y'all. That is how I achieved this wet look. This is my attempt on the wet look. Thank you. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, and let me know anything else y'all would like for me to do.
Real ass nigga, give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it